If Everything Search will not open or closes right away, here are a few quick fixes to try. First, check the Windows system tray near the clock. Everything may already be running in the background. If you see its icon, right-click it and choose Show Everything. If the window still does not appear, open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and Escape. Find everything in the Processes list, select it, click End Task, and then try opening the app again. Next, right-click the Everything shortcut and choose Run as Administrator. This can help if the app needs permission to access drives or create its index. You can also check the Everything service. Search for services from the Windows Start menu, find everything in the list, and make sure it is running. If it is stopped, click Start. If it is already running, choose Restart. If that does not help, restart your computer. This can clear stuck processes and refresh Windows services. Also check Windows Security or your antivirus app for anything blocking everything. Only allow it if you downloaded it from the official VoidTools website. Finally, if nothing works, uninstall everything from Windows Settings, then download and install the latest version again. During setup, keep the Everything service enabled. That's it. In most cases, checking the tray icon, ending a stuck process, or restarting the service will get Everything Search working again.